Good morning. Today 27. We're gonna start with a new shot per usual, and then I'll start doing everything else. I look busted. It's okay though. It's a real life vlog. This is how I look when I wake up. Alright, what was I doing? Pearlescent shot. I'm about to take my pearlescent shot. Reduces belly fat, targets fat, reduces hunger, fat reduction powder, y'all. Cheers. So y'all, it's time to eat again. Let's go. Okay, so hear me out. Herbalife has these tablets you can take called Thermobond that you eat before you go eat something you're not supposed to eat. They also have the fat release. I can't take Thermobond and I do not have any fat release. I'm going to take this fat burner for women that you're supposed to eat 20 minutes before you eat. Just showing you because I said I'd show you. We're about to take the kids to one of their favorite places, of course. Cicis Pizza! And we're about to take them there so we can take them out on this beautiful Saturday and then go somewhere afterwards. We don't know yet where. So I was taking that. So I'll show you guys what I'm eating there, and we're leaving now. Bye! Hello, beautiful people. So we left the house at 2 o'clock and it is now 7 and we just got home. We did not intend to leave that long. I had like meals planned and snacks planned, but we didn't mean to stay out all day, so my content today is not going to have much food. I totally forgot to record while we were at Cicis. I did have barbecue pizza, the chicken barbecue pizza, and I had a cinnamon roll, but I didn't do too bad. And I drank a Diet Coke while I was there too. And then we went to the mall. So I don't know if I'm gonna eat anymore. Well, I know I'm gonna have my shake later, but I don't know if I'm gonna eat anything because it's already 7. If I eat something now, then I'm not gonna have a shake till like really late. But we'll see how that goes. I know I'm about to make me a tea, so I'm gonna go do that now. Couple things going on here. I have to take my super green for the night, my night dose. I take one in the morning, one at night, every day. Also, we are gone all day today. I'm gonna take a multi. I'm not taking energy because it's 9:30 at night, so I don't need it. I'm gonna take this one. Next is MELISA. I'm gonna do 2 shots a day until I get back to the gym, which hopefully I'll be back in there on Monday. But we're gonna take our MELISA. Cheers. Alright, so I'm gonna drink my shake. When I'm done with my shake, I'm gonna do my treatment. And then I'm going to hang out with my husband for the rest of the night. He's putting the kids to sleep right now, so that's it for day 27. Sorry, I don't have any food on here, I don't think. It's just like shakes and teas and stuff like that. Because we ate out today and that like kept me full all day. So probably because I'm not used to eating like carbs like that. But tomorrow I will post more food. I'm actually gonna cook some things tomorrow to get ready for the week. So I will put those on here, and that is it for day 27. So I'll see y'all in the next video.